Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
In this video, I will show how to make cookies heart-shaped. First, ensure your cookie dough is well chilled, ideally for at least 1 hour, to make it easier to handle. Lightly flour your work surface and rolling pin to prevent the dough from sticking. This preparation step is crucial for achieving clean cuts and maintaining the cookie's shape during the process. You'll find this makes a big difference. Once your dough is ready, roll it out evenly to about 1/4 inch thick. This consistent thickness ensures even baking. Take your heart-shaped cookie cutters and press them firmly into the dough, making sure to get a clean cut. Gently lift the cutouts and place them onto a baking sheet lined with parchment paper. Leave a little space between each cookie for proper air circulation. Bake your heart-shaped cookies in a preheated oven until the edges are just lightly golden brown, typically for 8 to 10 minutes. Once baked, let them cool on the baking sheet for a few minutes before transferring them to a wire rack to cool completely. This prevents breakage. For decorating, royal icing or a simple glaze works wonderfully to add a beautiful, smooth finish to your festive treats. Get creative with your heart cookies. Before baking, you can add sprinkles or edible glitter for an extra festive touch. For a unique look, try making two-toned hearts by combining different colored doughs. You can also use smaller cutters to create cutouts within the larger hearts. Remember to check the description below for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals. Enjoy sharing your beautiful heart-shaped cookies.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.